Please put your hands together for Mr. V.A. Pyre! Woohoo! Oh yeah! Oh yeah, Mr. Pyre! Oh yeah! Alright, hit the theme music. Ah yes, welcome to the V.A. Pyre show, where every time we have a new theme song apparently. Alright, so our first guest star today is Christian Phillips. Now come on up here, Mr. Phillips. Oh yes, welcome to the V.A. Pyre show. Now I've never seen you on the show before, but have you seen the show? Yeah, once or twice. Oh yes, welcome. Thank you. So, what will you be in? Because I've never seen you before. Well, there's a possibility of this new show coming out called The Globe Fighters. Oh yes, what is it about? I think I might have heard about this. So I visited the stop motion division to see what was going on. So yeah, let's hear it. Alright, so my character, Christian Phillips, that's my name, comes into this new team called the Globe Fighters. And now he's the new guy in this team, so no one really respects him. But in the end, he becomes the leader. And we fight people and stuff. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh yes, so how many characters will be in this show? Well, we're not sure yet, but we've got the team made up so far. We've got 6 people, including me. Oh yes, can I be on the team? Sorry, we've already got all the people. Aw, man. So when will the first episode come out? We're not really sure, we haven't even gotten the first script yet, so what do you expect? Oh, okay, well, geez, man. I'm kidding. It'll probably come out sometime in late 2014, maybe? We'll see about it. So we still have what is it, Dr. Moron and Mr. Evilton? You mean, Mr. Moron and Dr. Evilton, and Dr. Evilton and Mr. Moron? Yeah, that one. The second one. Oh, yes. Yeah, and I'm helping writing for that. Oh, really? That is very talented of you. That's very cool. I wish I could write stuff. Yeah, we can't read your handwriting. You already tried that. Oh yeah, I forgot about that. Alright, is anything else you'd like to tell us? Yes. Nothing. Okay, I'm not sure how to respond to that, except for our next guest star is Mr. Jacob Wilson. Now come on up here, Mr. Jacob Wilson. Oh yes, who the heck are you as well? Well, I'm the nerd in the Globe Fighters, you know. I'm the guy that does all the computer stuff, and I also have some TNT and stuff that I blow up stuff. Oh, very cool. I happen to respect you for blowing up stuff. Oh, thank you. It's a very hard job. Yes, I know, right? People think, oh, you just have to light the fuse, but no, you have to place it too. Not just light the fuse, or it's gonna blow up in your hand, and you will have to go to a Lego hospital where they have to replace your whole arm. Yeah, happened to my friend Jerry once. Oh yes, I understand that. It's very dangerous indeed. So, you are in the Globe Fighters, yes? Yep. Yes, so, we already know what the Globe Fighters is about, so what do you do? Well, you see, all the other team goes on missions, like we have snipers and stuff like that. Well, I stay back and watch them and make sure they do stuff right, and hack stuff for them. Oh yes, very cool. It sounds like you have a great job. Why, thank you. You know, we should have some tea one time. Yes, we should indeed. Is that it? Yep. Alright, our next guest star is coming up after the commercial break. Hey, Mr. Pyre, I invited my own guest star. We'll see him after this commercial break. Oh boy, this isn't going to be good, is it? No, it's going to be great. He's an awesome guy. I mean, he's been on many TV commercials. How many have you been on? Well, I'm in this one right now. Oh yeah. Hello folks, do you like explosives and lights and wish that they were both somehow combined together in some kind of explosive lights or light explosives? Well, now you can buy the new explosive light explosives. What do these do? Well, you can prank anyone by just stringing up a ton of lights on their house, and then when you click the button, it makes a mini explosion that sends shrapnel shooting out in places. Okay, that doesn't sound safe. Just remember to wear safe clothes, people, when you buy this, and make sure not to swallow them. We've had severe cases of stomach aches from that, so yeah. Alright, and now here's our guest star for his own commercial. Oh boy, this isn't going to end well. Hi, I'm Billy Aprils here with the new PeroxyClean Stain Power Explosive thing. Now, do you want stains in your clothes? Of course you do. So, you spray this stuff on your clothes, and it gets stained in really well. What else does it do, you might ask? Well, it's also good for pets too. You feed it to them, and they grow twice the size of normal. I'm not sure why you'd want that, but anyways, so buy the new PeroxyClean Stain Burner Spray Stuff. Call today, right now, and we'll send you not one, not two, but just one, actually, yes, just one of those. So, what are you doing right now? Just sitting there on the couch? Well, call right now and tell them that Billy April sent you. Sorry you had to see that, audience. That's the last time I let him invite a guest star. Oh, okay. Alright, and Mikey hit it with Mikey News. Oh yes, welcome to Mikey News, folks. Mikey News Corner, that is, even though we're not even in a corner. Yay! Alright, so, some of you have heard that the new Connor David movie is coming out next weekend, and that is true, yay! And also, there's even a possibility of a new night video coming out next weekend as well. Oh yeah! Now back to you, Mr. Pyre. Oh yes, thank you, Mikey. Alright, our next guest star is Sunshine? That is a very weird name. Alright, come on up here, Sunshine. Oh yes, hello, Sunshine. It's Commander Sunshine. Alright, Commander, so who are you and where are you from? Well, as you said, I'm Commander Sunshine. And I'm from a new movie, you know that one with Wild Shot's going to be in it? Oh yes, the Lego comedy Star Wars movie. Yeah, I'm gonna be in that. I'm gonna be awesome in it. I am awesome. Yes, alright. So, what else can you tell me about this movie? Well, it's gonna be funny. It's gonna have comedy and Wild Shot in it, which is rare. Yeah. You're speechless, aren't you, from the awesomeness? Actually, I'm speechless because I think I've already heard this. Oh. Well, as you know, the third person has to bring a video clip. So, did you bring a video clip? What does it look like? I'm a noob. Of course I brought a video clip. Oh, okay. Roll the tape. What am I supposed to do again? Oh, the camera's rolling? Alright, hello guys. Have you heard of the new Lego, what is this, Star Wars? Yeah, Star Wars Superhero? No, it's not superhero. Cut. Alright, hello guys, have you heard of the new Lego Star Wars comedy movie coming soon to your computer? Well, it's coming soon to your computer. Oh, wait, line please. Cut. Hey guys, have you heard of the new Lego Star Wars comedy movie coming out soon? Well, it's going to be an awesome stop-motion action video with a lot of action, adventure, comedy, and other stuff that movies have. So watch it now. Except you can't watch it now because it is not up yet, but yeah, just keep an eye out for it. And I'll be watching you guys. Wait, why are you watching us? Oh, I don't know. Just because. Okay, that's kinda creepy. Cut. Oh yes, I'm not sure how to respond to that, but yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and bye! The VA Pyro Show is also sponsored by hamburgers. Yes, indeed. Their motto is, if you cannot get a hamburger, then why not come to our shop, because you are lazy. That is why. Yes, a very good motto, isn't it?